What is up, guys? This is the real Cookie Boy here, and today we are gonna play some Madden Mobile. I'm just gonna call it Madden Mobile Episode 9, even though it's gonna last like 1 minute. But I'm gonna open this Pro Pack. I finally got enough for one, so I decided to open one with y'all. And that's horrible. Hey, wait, guys! We just got another pack. We just got the Flurry pack, guys. Damn. Look at all this. And I am going to the settings. I'm gonna go add these in here. Let's see what I get. Okay. That's all I got. Let's open one of these real quick. We just got another guy. Alright, so let's go turn this in for my elite trophy. And I will have enough eventually. But until then, let's just try to hurry this up so I can upload it. But I hope you all like my video. Please leave a like, subscribe, and have a great day.